Hey guys, welcome so much to this channel and thank you so much for watching this video. So today I'll be showing you the progress of the construction of the BRT stations here, specifically at Safari Park area. It's been a while since I visited this place and I realized there is some progress in the construction of these BRT station. So guys, I hope you enjoy the video. The construction is taking quite a long time. I don't know why, but since the last time I was here, there is some progress that has gone on. You'll just see the video and I hope you enjoy the video. Please consider subscribing down below. Like this video. I kindly urge you to help us get 100+ likes on this video, guys. As you watch, please don't forget to like, because liking really supports us, because by doing that you help this video to be recommended more by YouTube to more people, and by that it really supports us because the channel is able to grow. Yeah, so guys, please like below. It's free to like. Just like, comment, let me know what you think, and also subscribe if you haven't yet, and you can share also this video. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please join me until the end and let's enjoy the video together.
Hi guys, this is Honel and this is Pitch Vlogs. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.